Laban kedua ni bahkan ni ke komiti ke belah tung dak sarkar hakalai terik luber mentakas nem kelayu puar lai benai bahkan ayah ke kai pot jongka. Dr. Didi Lepang habakran bat kilap tai ke bor loi thu bak komiti jong kelapan por biang sa armai ban pendap ya ketika kam. Kani ke jelang kalarai ru ban tungi artli ki sub committee ka working sub committee bat ka legal sub committee. Kini komiti ke banwan ya kilat kilinti dak bawat pnia nadu ki dabars nong kini opor si benai ban ai ka pot chaka komiti. Ya ka working sub committee on clear Dr. W Kharsi yang kumu chairman ba SD Kongwer kumu co-chairman bat kan thop prangut ki khot bat undersecretary ke political department unong convener jongkani ke sub committee. Ya ka legal sub committee part on clear do ba KS Kenjing ubolong ru advocate general kumu chairman bat ba WHD Sengkon additional advocate general kumu co-chairman ki khot pat kin long ki ba arwik kesu tunga kong Dr. MPR Lingdo bat UEG moment. Hak jo por balapang mulai thuru ba komiti kan pan jitep ko bnia hak bai dei ba jingtrowa ka sor kami ban pen bahai ka krenen ka ban riu jong kari ti sunchar jong kari India. Habakan tai ba kani komiti kelas lam hak jingtri kam balapang ulong ba kamsem don kanu ka jing paslam handai ka jing pan por ka long bandang wa chushu ka jing sha khnang ba ka jingtrowa ka sarkar kan long ka baklan.
The committee has decided to have two committees. Number one, call it the working committee, and the other is the legal subcommittee. We have got also the subcommittee, legal subcommittee. We have discussed about the term of reference as given to this committee. Number one, to examine the role. You have got to.
Yes.
You need not pay. We have given to this two committees, meaning the working committee and the legal committee, for 1 month to exercise, to work to get all the formalities, modalities, and all the collection of facts on the grassroots level and the existing traditional bodies, and with that 1 month they give this first report to the general body level. And also, having seen about the subject which is complicated, subjects are time consuming, we have decided to request the government to extend for another 2 months more. Initially they have given 3 months. Now we have requested them to give additional 2 months as to enable this committee to make some suggestions which will be to the benefit and the purpose of this committee. So,
your committee is already defined. You know why I say like that? Because we already have an ordinance and the Judicial Administration Bill has already been sent to the Governor, and the Governor has suggested the government to put it in the public domain for people's opinion, people's view. What is the meaning of having this committee then?
It's very much meaningful. You see, the existence of the ordinance, discussion of the bills, or the courts are already there, pending matter of the government, and coming up with the ordinance because of the peculiar urgent situation coming up at that point of time. To give the remedial measure to that crisis at that point of time, the ordinance comes in. Ordinance means a very temporary thing. Even though the assent of the government is being approved or given, it has to wait till the next session is set. This committee has got nothing to do with that actually. This committee meant to find out the modality to institutionalize, to make an institution to this tradition that we have. Now, you know, there's a pending bill in the Parliament, the amendment of the Sixth Schedule. The amendment schedule is there. This committee has discussed. We would like to know the details of those proposals of the amendment. because the sixth schedule well fully with the interests of the tribal people. For instance, safeguards, protection, and we see that the land is free and the customs are not affected and the usages will remain intact. So this committee said those traditional qualities, practices and the way of life that we're having should not be, thoughts should not be affected. So this committee will go for that. Actually, strictly speaking, government is supposed, this committee to do only with the guidelines. Term of reference. Term of reference is here. This additional involvement when we feel we are responsible to talk about the interest of the people through the ordinance, the interest of the people through the bills but it's put up by the circumstances. But strictly speaking, the main duty of this is to go and do the term of reference for number 4 items here, which you have got. I need not repeat it.
So the committee has nothing to do with the village bill?
No, we have not anything to do with what we said when the first thing they said, we would like to request the government to dispose of the bills of the two and also to say that they get the approval or the assent of the government.
So the committee was formed on March 3rd.
Which one?
March 3.
This one, yes.
Now 3 months into that.
Yeah.
This is the second meeting.
Yes.
Don't you think that the committee went on, dragged on and unnecessarily went on to the extent which compelled the government, the committee is not doing, so we will go for ordinance, we will go for VAB.
Doesn't have been done that. Why do you mix up with that?
And you are creating more committees, working committees, legal committee, and tomorrow another subcommittee.
When necessary, you can make many committees also. That's the style of functioning. Why should you say
The question is, why did you delay?
There's no delay at all.
3 months now, no, only second meeting is there.
What 3 months? Have you completed 3 months now?
Yeah.
And at the same time, you see, we have time to consider to find out some facts and figure. Even then you say, to get more detail, we need this committee to have another working committee and the legal committee. The legal committee, we have about 65 members there. We have discussed legal team of legal expert there. That committee is smaller. And the work committee will do because they can sit, even they can sit every week, with 60, 70 members, they cannot do that. And you see, more useful than that, with one.
So can you tell us what more thing you will bring out in your report? Because ordinance is very clear. Certificates.
Why do you make up with that? Why don't you understand what I say? They have not constituted this committee to meet this crisis and Supreme Court. Not for this. Don't mix up. I told we are not decided to involve ourselves with this. Our responsibility to go with this. We can waste our time in this. Why did it become? Our responsibility is this guidelines go strictly on this and bring your modality, restriction. I mean the proposal. The modalities doesn't mean to create modalities by this Supreme Court decision. The modalities are go to the deep down to the grassroots level and go to the amendment of the sectional, how far in effect here. And we'll see that we'll request the government of Meghalaya to forward our observation that amendment will be intact so that the customary laws will not be affected. And also the radar should be improved.